Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Honor Magic 6 Lite. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click on open and here click on agree and continue. Now you can click on the cross to close the ad, and now you can decide if you want to receive notifications from this app or not, and then click on consent. Now click here to enable VPN and then click OK. And now click cross to close the ad, and as you can see now I'm on VPN on the server from Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.